Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jessica Trinovek, and to my returning subscribers, welcome back guys. So guys, in today's video I'll be showing you all how I made this DIY deep condition that will help you to moisturize your hair. If you're suffering from any dry hair, this can help you out. So please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. So let's get started. So far we're starting up with some aloe vera. Okay, I'm going to write down the benefit of aloe vera on the screen. All right guys, so I'm just cutting off the aloe vera. I'm going to remove the remove the aloe vera juice, you understand. Then I'll add my flaxseed. I did a DIY flaxseed, okay, and I don't know if you have seen it, but if you've not seen it, I'm going to put it in the card. I did the 7 days challenge and the result was amazing. So I'm just going to blend this. I mixed aloe vera and flaxseed together. I'm going to blend this together, and when it gets to a paste, I will strain it out. So I'm using my wig cap to strain it, like to separate the chaff from the juice. If you don't have a wig cap, you can use a cheesecloth or a hanky, wherever you have that can separate chaff from water, you are good to go. So I'm just trying to double secure this so I don't have any flakes on my hair. So here I'm just pouring it out, then I will squeeze out the juice. I'm also going to write the benefit of flaxseed. Ever since I discovered flaxseed, I've been using it on my hair regimen, and it's really good for my hair. So I'm also going to add another key ingredient, which is moringa. I'm also going to tell you all the benefits of moringa in this video. All right guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. In my channel we are all about DIY for hair growth, motherhood and vlogs. If this is what you are interested in, kindly stay tuned. Squeezing out all the juice from it, and this is what the chaff looks like. We don't need this anymore. So this is just the flaxseed and aloe vera. This is what we have here. So I'm going to mix our moringa to this ingredient, and I will blend this because it was not mixing with spoon, so I had to blend it so that it will get to a very smooth consistency. All right guys. So this is what our deep condition looks like. So I'm going to add some oils to this. I'm going to add coconut oil, amla oil, if you're suffering from any dry hair, this deep condition is gonna help you out. All right, I advise you try this twice in a month, and you try and be doing this consistency to get visible results. All right, fam. If you're still watching and you've not subscribed, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell so that you'll be the first to get notification whenever I upload a new video. And also like and comment and share. As I said earlier on, my channel is all about DIY for hair growth, motherhood, and vlogs. If this was you're interested in, kindly stay tuned. So here I am taking down my cornrows. After taking down my cornrows, I'm going to wash my cornrows with my DIY black soap shampoo. If you've not seen that, I'm going to leave the link somewhere in the card, or you can just go through my DIY hair growths and see any of the videos that is helpful for your natural hair. So this is what my natural hair looks like. This is the state of my hair after I finish washing it, and it's time for us to apply this deep condition to my hair. So far, this is me using the deep condition on my hair. If you have tried this, let me know in the comment section. Have you tried flaxseed and moringa and aloe vera on your hair, like the three combo together? Have you tried this mixture together? Let me know in the comment section. All right. How the hair turned out to be. And guys, can you see some guys? This is guys. So I'm just going to wrap this with a plastic bag, then I'll let this thing set for 1 hour. After 1 hour, I'll wash it, use my condition and condition my hair, and use my oil and my butter. If you've not seen that video, I'm going to put the video somewhere so you guys go check it out. Yeah, so I'll see you all in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. So guys, I'll see you all later.